Hi everyone, welcome again to this English channel presented by Ahmed Sayar. Please, before we start, like, share, follow and subscribe. Alright, so this course is intended to Common Core students, Outlook student books, and unit number 5, which is going to be about our eating habits. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. مرحبا بكم في الوحدة رقم 5 من كتاب Outlook Student Book. عنوانها Our Eating Habits، عادات الأكل أو عاداتنا في الأكل أو عادات الأكل الخاصة بنا. اليوم سوف نمر إلى الجزء رقم 1 من هذا المحور أو من هذه الوحدة. Alright, so let's start. At the restaurant, please listen to the conversation.
Unit 5. At the restaurant. Listen and practice.
I don't feel like cooking today. I'm a bit tired.
So, you want to dine out? You know I like restaurant food.
I like it too. Where would you like to go?
Well, what do you think of getting some fast food?
Ooh, surely not. Let's try some new food.
Yeah, I agree with you. How do you like traditional Moroccan food?
Oh, I love it.
So do I. I know a restaurant nearby. It's called Dari.
All right, let's go.
Alright, very good. Let's move now to the second dialogue, or after a while.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
A tagine of meatballs with eggs.
All right. And you like a salad?
Yes, I'll have a mixed Moroccan salad.
What about you, sir?
Couscous with vegetables and meat.
Beef or lamb, sir?
Beef, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, we'd like some tea, please.
Okay. I'll bring your order right away.
Alright, very good. Now, let's move now to Comprehension Check. Correct these false statements. صحوها الجمل اللي هما خاطئين. The Parkers want to have dinner at home. Of course, this is false. Correct, please. Yes, they want to have dinner at the restaurant. How do you know? باش عرفناها من التكست. So, you want to dine out. Dine out بمعنى يتعشى برا. Very good. Number 2. Mrs. Parker doesn't like Moroccan food. It's false. Mrs. Parker likes Moroccan food. Justify from the text. I love it. Very good. Number 3. Mr. Parker and his wife make the same order. نفس الطلبيات. That's correct, please. No, they make different orders. How do you know? Mr. Parker orders couscous. Mrs. Parker orders tagine. Alright, let's move on now. Good. What would you like? Fill in this table with the appropriate expressions from the conversation. Then add other ones to the list. أطلب منكم أنكم تملؤوا الجدول بعبارات من النص، ومن بعد غادي نزيدوا عبارات أخرى. شنو مطلوب منكم؟ agreeing بمعنى الاتفاق أو مشاطرة الرأي. disagreeing المعارضة. ordering a meal كيفاش كنطلبوا الأكل. making an order كيفاش كنطلبوا الأكل كنعملوا كنعبروا على طلب الأكل. و taking an order بمعنى هذا خاص بالناس ديال النادي هو اللي كياخذ الطلبيات. So let's start now. Back to the text please. رجعوا التكست وشوفوا العبارات اللي هي في التكست اللي كتعني agreeing. Okay, I'm going to help you here. So you say I agree with you. أتفق معك. في التكست عندنا I like it too. So do I. Yes, you're right. I think so too. هذه عبارات اللي كنستعملوهم اللي كنعبروا على مشاطرة الرأي مع شي واحد. agreeing. The verb is to agree and the noun agreement. Okay, so disagreeing. Surely not. I don't agree. I don't think so. That's not what I think. That's not what I think, okay? Order a meal. Now let's move to making an order. How you make an order? I'll have chicken, for example. We'd like couscous. Can I have water, please? Could you bring me some water, please? Very good. Now let's move to taking an order. Expression used to take an order. Are you ready to order? What would you like? Would you like chicken or beef, please? Would you like chicken or beef? Would you like? Alright, let's move on now. Complete these dialogues with the appropriate expressions from the table. Again, this table. عبارات من هذا الجدول هذا غادي نستعملوهم في هذا الحوار اللي عندنا هنايا. Take your time please and do it. Alright, that's correct. Now, dialogue A. Friend and you. Would you like chicken or fish? I'll have chicken. Chicken, I think. Perhaps chicken. I don't like chicken. It's not very nice. And then, let's have fish. You're right. I prefer fish because it's healthier. Healthier بمعنى أكثر. صحي أكثر. Yes, I think so too. Very good. B. May I take your order, please? Yes, we'd like some meat. Of course. Would you like anything to drink? أو لا. What would you like to drink? Lemonade, please. Would you like anything else? Yes, we'll have some fruit for dessert. Is that all, sir? That's all for now. Very good. Let's move on now. Grammar. The present continuous. The form of the present continuous. ما نساوش لأننا شفنا قبل the simple present. دابا غنشوفو the present continuous. So, subject plus is, are plus verb plus ing. And it's used with adverb of time now, at this moment, at present. إذن هذا هو the present continuous. ملي كيكون عندنا subjects بحدا is ولا are زائد verb ing. Example, I am writing an email at present. الآن. We are studying English now. باش كنسميوها present continuous لأن الحدث لا زال مستمر. ملي كنقول we are studying English now بمعنى الآن نحن ندرس الإنجليزية ولا زلنا مستمرين. Okay? Now. At this moment, Liz isn't doing her homework. Okay? She's not doing her homework at this moment. الآن. Very good. So, verbs ending with E, we delete the E and add ing. For example, write, writing. جميع الأفعال اللي عندهم أ في الآخر كنحيدوها وكنزيدو ing. Next rule. Verbs ending with consonant, vowel, consonant. We double the consonants. For example, sit, sitting. We double the T. Very good. In negative, we say I am not, is not or isn't, are not or aren't, plus verb ing. In the interrogative, we say am I, is he, is she, is it, are you, are we, are they, plus verb ing. Good. Let's now practice. Back to the dialogue. Read this dialogue, please. Try to find examples of the present continuous. حاولوا تلقاو أمثلة ديال present continuous في التكست بطبيعة الحال. قراو وشوفوا أمثلة اللي كاينة ديال the present continuous. Now I'm going to help you now. First one, are you doing? I'm preparing. I'm not doing. And the last example, he's doing. Very good. تعرفنا على the present continuous. Okay. دابا غادي نمشيو نحاولوا نجاوبوا على هاد الأسئلة اللي عندنا في داك الحوار. Read the conversation, write true, false and correct the false statements. Of course الحوار اللي كنتكلموا عليه هو هذا. غادي نحاولوا ما أمكن نقراوه ومن بعد نجاوبوا على الأسئلة اللي عندنا. Stop the video. Read the dialogue please. Alright, let's do the exercise now. باش نشوفوا شي كلمات اللي ممكن نشرحوهم هنايا. What are you doing, mom? I'm preparing some cream. I need it for this new recipe. Can you help? Sure. I'm doing anything at the moment. What do we need? A lot of ingredients. مقادير, I'm afraid. We've got some margarine, a few apples, plenty of bananas, a little cheese, a carton of milk, and a bag of flour. Is there any sugar? There isn't much. How much do we need? 300 grams. How about eggs? Are there any? Not many. Only half a dozen. How many do you need? 10. And we also need a lot of chocolate and a pound of cherries. There isn't any chocolate and we haven't got any cherries either. Tell Tony to get the missing ingredients from the shop. He can't. He's doing his homework. Don't worry, Mom. I'll go and get them for you right away. Very good. So, let's now do the task. Read the conversation, write true or false, and correct the false statement. Kevin and his mother are preparing a vegetable soup. Of course, no. They are preparing a cake. Kevin can't help his mother because he is doing his homework. No. Kevin can help because she isn't doing anything. Very good. Next one. Number 3. There is a lot of cheese at home. False. There is a little cheese. And number 4. There are only 6 eggs at home. True. Half a dozen. Very good. Next one. What's happening in the restaurant? So picture number 1. What's the waiter doing? He's holding a tray or he's carrying a meal. Very good. Or he is serving the customers. Picture number 2. Look at the picture please. Try to ask a question and give an answer. حاولوا تطرحوا سؤال وتعطيوا جواب. Okay, so let's see. The question is going to be, what's the customer doing? Or what are they doing? He's reading the menu, or they are reading the menu. Very good. For picture number 3, try to ask the question, please. Alright, what are they doing? Very good. These people in the picture, what are they doing? And the answer, they're talking. Alright, in picture number 4, try to ask a question, please. Yes, what are the customers doing? The customers. What are they doing? And the answer, they're having lunch. They're eating. Very good. In picture number 5, what's he doing? The cook. What is he doing? And the answer, he's making food or he's preparing orders. Very good. Let's move on. Again, we're going to say in grammar. غنبقاو في grammar, more grammar, وغندوزو نشوفو quantifiers. Very important lesson. قبل ما نبداو غادي نشوفو واحد القاعدة اللي هي مهمة. أسماء في الإنجليزية عندنا كتنقسم لجوج, countable and uncountable. Remember that in English, nouns are countable or uncountable. Some things are always countable. بعض الأسماء دائما countable. For example, there are 2 tables. Some things are always uncountable. بعض منهم دائما uncountable. For example, there is a lot of water. Water ما نقدروش نحسبوه. Okay. However, many foods are both countable and uncountable. أحيانا بعض مجموعة ديال الأكلات وهذه كيكونوا countable و uncountable. for example نعطيكم مثلا chicken. الدجاج ممكن نحسبوه ممكن ما نحسبوش، يعني قابل للعد. إلا كانت بالروح كنقولوا one chicken two chickens، ولكن إلا كانت مذبوحة وكتباع مثلا في اللحم ديك الساعة كنبداو نهضروا على اللحم ديال الدجاج، كيكون ديك الساعة غير قابل للعد. كتقول له عطيني 2 كيلو ديال اللحم، ماشي عطيني 2 لحمات. That's very different. Alright. شنو معنى ديال quantifiers؟ A quantifier is a word or a phrase which indicates a number or amount being referred to. It generally comes before noun. إذن واحد الكلمة أو لا واحد الحرف اللي كيعني عدد أو كمية محددة كتعود على داك الاسم اللي عندنا. Some, many, a lot of, a few are the examples of quantifier. Some هي بعض، many الكثير، lot of الكثير، a few القليل. هادو كيعنيو هادو بعض quantifiers. Quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. إذا كنستعملو معاهم جوج، نقول مثلا there are some books on the desk. لاحظوا books countable عندها s. He has got only a few books. How much money have you got? Money is uncountable. واحد القاعدة مهمة بغيت نقولها لكم على هاد countable nouns. countable nouns دائما كيكون عندهم كيخدعوا القاعدة ديال plural اللي كنا شفنا. plural. اوكي، يعني اللي كنزيدو لهم اس اي اس او اي اس او لا كنبدلوهم etc etc دائما countable. alright. quantifier in English بطبيعة الحال من هاد الصورة هادي غناخدو غير ما هو مهم. quantifiers used with countable nouns كيهمنا much اللي كتعني كمية كثيرة، a bit قليل، little قليل، great deal of كثير، large quantity of كثير، a little قليل، very little قليل جدا، a large amount بمعنى كمية كبيرة. غندوزو دابا countable nouns اللي هما العدد a majority of العدد الكبير من، great number of العدد كبير، several العدد كبير كثير، many الكثير، large number of الكثير من، a number of عدد كبير من، few القليل، few كذلك قليل، very few قليل جدا. والكلمات اللي كنستعملوها معاهم بعض غنحاولوا نديو هنا غير اللي كيهمنا هو some كنستعملوها معاهم بجوج، lots of كنستعملوها معاهم بجوج، any كنستعملوها معاهم بجوج، ولكن any كنستعملوها في negative and interrogative. مهمة هاد المسألة هادي. وعندنا plenty of الكثير اللي كنستعملوها معاهم بجوج. alright. Now let's practice. Again go back to the text. This text try to find examples of quantifiers. حاولوا تلقاو في هاد التكست أمثلة ديال quantifiers. Yes. Okay, let me help you please. Some, a lot of, some again, a few, plenty of, a little, a carton of تهي quantifier, a bag of تهي quantifier, any وبطبيعة الحال much, yes, a pound of cherries, a lot of chocolate. كاين العديد من half dozen تهي عاود كاين العديد من quantifiers اللي هما غنشوفوهم هنايا. alright. half dozen تهي هادو كاينين. Underline these expressions of quantity in the conversation and pick and put a tick or a cross in the appropriate column. غنشوفو دابا a few في التكست استعملناها في countable nouns استعملناها في affirmative. okay. نشوفو much. much is used with uncountable nouns. It's used in the affirmative, in the negative, and in the interrogative. كنستعملوها في affirmative. مثلا كنقولوا she has much sugar. It's affirmative. A lot of is used with countable and uncountable. It's used in the affirmative, in the negative, but not in the interrogative. Some is used with both. It's used in affirmative. That's it. Any is used with both and it's used in the negative and interrogative. Plenty of is used with both, and it's used with the affirmative. Many is used with countable nouns, and it's used in affirmative, negative, and interrogative. A little is used with uncountable nouns. كنستعملوها مع uncountable nouns وكنستعملوها في affirmative. That's all. Very good. Let's move on. Circle the correct word. شوفوا ندوروا على الكلمة اللي هي صحيحة هنايا. This cookery book contains. عندكم recipes عندها S. إذا منطقيا غنستعمل a lot of. Very good. هنا عندكم اختيار ما بين any و some. شوفوا واش الجملة فيها نيجاتيف وسؤال. إذا كانت فيها نيجاتيف وسؤال نختاروا any. ما فيهاش نيجاتيف ما فيهاش سؤال إذا some. Some of them take only فقط. ملي كنقول only بمعنى كنقول شي حاجة اللي هي صغيرة. Only a few minutes to prepare. Besides, you don't need many ingredients. There is just بحال few. A little. Oil كنستعملوها مع little. Oil or fat in them, and they use vegetables. طبعا الحال غنستعملوها مع a lot of. Again, any and some. Any ما عندناش negative and interrogative, so غنستعملو some. وفي الآخر عندنا recipes غنستعملو many. Very good. Let's move on. Again, more grammar, articles. A and N and D. لاحظوا الاستعمال ديالهم فوقاش كنستعملوه. A and N used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. ملي كنقول I need a phone هنا المعنى ديالها أحتاج إلى هاتف غير محدد. أوكي ما معروفش الهاتف. أحتاج إلى هاتف نكرة ما معروفش. Used for the first time we introduce an object. أول مرة كنتكلم على شي حاجة كنستعمل I saw a movie last night. Okay, I saw a movie last night. أو لا I met an engineer last night. تلاقيت شي واحد شفت واحد الفيلم. Used as synonyms for the number one. They bought a computer. أو لا I have a computer. بمعنى هنايا one computer. عندي واحد الكمبيوتر. Used to indicate one of a group. ملي كنقول she is a singer. أو لا كنستعملوها دائما مع jobs. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is an engineer. She is an Italian film director. He is a film director. He is an actor. An actor. Very good. Let's move to the now. The used for specific object or objects that both speaker and listener know. إذا كنستعملوها مع شي حاجة اللي المتكلم والمستمع كيعرفوها. For example, can you give me the books on the table? هنا معروفين the books on the table اللي كاينين فوق الطابلة. كتب اللي فوق الطابل. Used when we mention the object again. اللي كنتكلموا على الموضوع للمرة الثانية. بحال قبيل قلت so a movie. دابا the movie is based. كان نكرة في الأول دابا ولا معرفة. Used before plural countries. نستعملوه مع بعض الدول اللي هي plural. The Netherlands. The United States of America. Okay? United States. الولايات المتحدة. Used before certain adjectives. كنستعملوه مثلا قبل بعض الادجectives بحال مثلا the rich. Okay, read these sentences and tick the appropriate column. نحاولوا نقراو الجمل نشوفوا ديك القواعد كيف استعملناهم. نشوفوا a and n معايا استعملناها. Okay, so it's used with singular countable noun. عطيوني مثال هنايا. I'd like a sandwich singular countable. وعندنا مثال آخر an orange singular countable. A lemon singular countable. Very good. It's not used with uncountable. It's not used with plural nouns. دابا غنشوفو the is used with singular countable nouns. المثال اللي عندنا singular countable the teapot هو البراد كيتحسب. It's used with the uncountable nouns. المثل اللي عندنا هنايا the tea الشاي uncountable ما كيتحسبش. Very good. ما عندناش هنا استعمال ديالها في plural nouns. شوفوا some is used with uncountable nouns. For example sunflower طحين. It's used with some countable nouns. For example some tomatoes. Very good. Now empty space. فوقاش ما كنستعملو حتى شي حاجة. في المثال عندنا هنايا uncountable nouns. For example uncountable water. وعندنا countable nouns اللي هي cokes. Alright, let's practice a little bit. Put in a and the some or no article. نشوفوا فوقاش نستعملوا هذه. وقفوا الفيديو الله يرضي عليكم وحاولوا تعملوا هذا التمرين هذه ومن بعد ديك الساعة نصحوا ماشي مشكل. Okay, so can you pass me the salt. غيسألوني بعض التلاميذ يقولوا لي واش ممكن نستعملوا some salt. Yes ممكن نستعملوها إلا كنت كنعني ببعض الملح. فهمتوني؟ يعني بحال منزل الملح في الطابلة وغادي يهز شي حاجة بيدو ويعطيها لك. هذه كنقول له can you give me some salt. ولكن إلا كان غيهز الملح كاملة ويعطيها لك it's the salt. فهمتوا الفرق كيفاش؟ There is spaghetti left fridge. Of course spaghetti is uncountable. إذا غنقول there is some spaghetti left in the fridge. الثلاجة لأن عندنا غير وحدة في الكوزينة إذا كاينة وحدة. ملي كنقول الثلاجة راه معروفة. Alright. Number 3. I need a knife to cut my steak. علاش عملت هنا a knife وما عملتش the knife؟ واش ممكن نعمل the knife؟ Yes ممكن نعمل the knife في حالة وحدة. إلا كان داك شي موس حدايا وقلت لشي واحد I need the knife. أحتاج السكينة. أحتاج السكين معروف لأنه حدايا إذا محدد. ولكن إلا ما حدايا حتى شي موس ما عنديش وكنقول صاحبي كنقول له أحتاج سكينا. أعطيني أي سكين كما كان غير محدد. I need a knife to cut my steak. Number 4. There is a bottle of juice in the kitchen. طبيعة الحال the kitchen يعني كاينة واحد kitchen. A bottle هنا كنعني one bottle. Number 5. Milk is rich source of calcium. إلا قريتوها غير هكا تعرفوا على أنها جملة صحيحة. إذا كنقولوا milk is a rich source of calcium. هذه بحال عندنا قاعدة. أوكي واحد القاعدة الحليب هناك ملي كنتكلم على الحليب بمعنى الحليب بشكل عام is a rich source of one of the rich source يعني واحد المصدر غني بالكالسيوم. ولكن في رقم 6 مختلف الأمر. The milk in this glass. حددت النوع ديال الحليب شنو هو. In this glass اللي كاين في الكأس isn't fresh. Number 7. Vegetarians don't eat meat. طبيعة الحال بلا ما نعمل حتى شي حاجة راه عندها المعنى. Vegetarians هما النباتيين الناس اللي ما كياكلوش اللحم. Vegetarians don't eat meat ما كياكلوش اللحم بشكل عام. اللحم ماشي واحد اللحم محدد لا بشكل عام. Number 8. We need orange. ما يمكنش نعمل some ما يمكنش نعمل the ما يمكنش نعمل غنعمل an. We need an orange بمعنى one orange and some sugar. Very good. And number 9. The meat I'm eating is tough. The meat محدد على أن اللحم اللي كناكل قاصح. Very good. Let's move on. Read the ingredients and write instructions to make potato salad. So we have ingredients in it. Some potatoes, 4 hard-boiled eggs, an onion, 2 cups mayonnaise, a teaspoon mustard. Okay, so شوفوا هنا شنو عندنا كيفاش غادي نعملو كيفاش غادي نكتبو an instruction to make a potato salad. So this is how we are going to do it. To make a potato salad we need some potatoes, 4 hard-boiled eggs, an onion, 2 cups mayonnaise, 2 cups mayonnaise and a teaspoon mustard. First, put the potatoes to boil in hot water. When they are ready, cut them into small pieces. Then, cut the onion into small pieces too. After, cut the hard-boiled eggs into small pieces. Put all in a bowl and mix them. Then add the mayonnaise and the mustard. Mix all together and add some salt. Then serve the salad. سهلة بشكل عادي. الأفعال هي put mix خلط cut هي كتقطع boil هي كتغلي. ما كاينش شي صعوبة هنايا. كتبوها الدفتر ديال التمارين وحاولوا تستعملوا كذلك شي أكلة هيدا سهلة وتكتبوا عليها. alright غنرجعوا دابا للcollocation. collocation هما الكلمات اللي كيمشيو مع بعض وغادي نبقاو كذلك في quantifiers. So look at this. وعندنا هنا الصور. شوفوا الصور ونربطوا الكلمات A with B. Now picture number 1. What do you call it? Yes, a jar of jam. Picture number 2. A teaspoon of sugar. Picture number 3. A bunch of bananas. Picture number 4. A loaf of bread. Picture number 5. A head of cauliflower. Picture number 6. A tin of sardines. Picture number 7. A bar of chocolate. Picture number 8. A carton of milk. Picture number 9. A packet of crisps. And picture number 10. A bag of flour. sac ديال الطحين, a bag of flour. Very good. Let's move on again. How do you like these? How do you like meat? Tick the appropriate column. How do you like meat? Oh, I like it grilled and steamed and roast. إذن boiled طيب في الماء مغلي, fried مقلي, grilled مشوي, baked في الفران, steamed مبخر, roast محمر, mashed مطحون. So, what about potatoes now? How do you like potatoes? I like it boiled and fried, and I like it baked and steamed, but I prefer it mashed. What about eggs? How do you like eggs? Wow, I like it boiled and fried. Good. How do you like fish? Well, I like it fried, but grilled is my the way I like it is grilled. Very good. I also like it steamed. Yes. Very good. What about rice? I like it boiled. I like it steamed. What about chicken? How do you like chicken? Well, I like chicken grilled and baked, steamed, roast. What about carrots? Well, I like them boiled. I like them steamed and mashed sometimes. Very good. How to make an omelette? Complete the instructions with the appropriate verb from the list. Pour, serve, mix, break, add, and take. Okay. Let's look at number 1. 3 eggs. What do you think? We are talking about omelette. Take. Number 2. Break. Number 3. Add. Number 4. Mix. Number 5. Pour. Number 6. Serve. Okay. Take بمعنى خد. Break بمعنى هرس. Add بمعنى ضف. Mix together هي خلطهم جميعا. Pour the mixture هي كب الخليط in the pan. Pan هي المقلة. Serve the omelette بمعنى قدم الأومليت. دابا نحاولوا نكتبوا باراجراف كما كتبناها قبل وغتكون على الشكل التالي. This is how to make an omelette. Take 3 eggs. Then break them in a bowl. After that, add salt and pepper. Then mix together. After, pour the mixture in the pan. Finally, serve the omelette. Alright, thank you very much for watching. This is the end of unit number 5, part number 1, Outlook Student Book, presented by Ahmed Sayar. See you later. Before you leave, remember to like, share, and follow, and please subscribe for more videos. See you next time in the part number 2 of unit number 5. Goodbye.